Have you ever tried making a keto Mexican street dog? Let me show you how I made this. You're gonna start with your hot dog or sausage of choice. Now get your uncured bacon and start rolling it all the way to the top. Now place it in your air fryer for about 6 minutes at 400 degrees or until nice and crispy. Let's move on to our toppings, a little avocado oil and a bunch of onion. Oh, you thought we were using a bun? Nah, this is lettuce wrap. Top with your grilled onions and peppers, spread that mayo. Top it off with mustard, ketchup, sriracha, and you have yourself a low-carb version of a Mexican street dog.